guys, welcome back to my channel. So I was on Instagram just like, scrolling, and like everybody has ripped jeans and I want ripped jeans. So I'm gonna make my own today, and rather than like going out and like buying a specific pair or like turning one of an old pair into some ripped jeans. Also, sorry about the lighting, like I'm in my room and like the nasty backdrop. It's fine, like nobody actually cares, but plus it's never good anyways, so might as well keep up the theme. But anyways, rather than like turn an old pair into something new or go out and get a new pair to ruin, I'm just gonna turn my favorite jeans into ripped jeans. This could go horribly wrong or really great. Most people will do this like with the jeans off their body and then film that, but I'm just going to do it on my body because I'm lazy. Anyways, so new angle, heyo. These are the pants. They're just black because black is my favorite color. They're from Hollister. I don't know what size they are. So I'm 4'9". I'm a midget. I'm not actually, I'm just super short, but it like bunches up here. So you know that like style like of pants going on right, like just trending right now, and they have like, it's like the hem is cut off and it's just like a free edge. That's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna put giant slits right here. Super cute, right? So what I'm gonna do, this is a black Sharpie and black jeans. I'm not sure if this is going to show up, but I'm gonna try. So I'm gonna put dots like right at the tops of my knees, just so I don't, yeah, you can't even see that. Oh well, go with the flow. But I'm just going to, we're just gonna eyeball it now. I like can't see the dot. Okay. Kinda can. Anyways, but I figured it's better to do for like the rip to go above my knee rather than below. If I mess up, which I probably will. But these are some fabric scissors. What do I want? This is gonna be a train wreck. Here we go. Now I'm going back. The deed is done. Okay. So I always see, you can't see what I'm doing. Okay, so most of the time people will just like cut all the way. You can kind of see the little thing that I made, but I'm just going to do a really teeny tiny one because I don't want the super, I'm gonna cut myself, oops. But I don't want the super duper like clean looking cut, so I'm just gonna cut it until I can get my finger in there and just rip it with my bare hands. Okay, I'm not left-handed like at all. And then these are hard. I usually like am able to do the, oop, there we go. Oh, sick. Okay, other side. And like the great thing about this not like just like ripping it is you don't get to control where it goes. So sometimes it may turn out great, may turn out horrible. You never know. Doesn't look too bad. It's kind of high, but it's not too bad actually. It kind of, you can't see it, but it kind of goes like the hard part is going to be getting these remotely even. Pinch it and then that looks about right. Wow, I did nothing. Okay. Okay, that didn't really work. How come when like, so I'm right-handed, how come my left hand doesn't know how to do literally anything? Ooh, yes. Ow. Perfect. OMG. 10 times better already. You can't see my face, that's fine. Alrighty. What does it look like when I stand up? probably horrible. They disappeared. Maybe I can wear them to work. I'm not allowed to wear ripped jeans to work. Maybe if I wear these, you won't even be able to tell. Wow, like my outfit game just went from like 0 to like a 3. So anyways, I kind of want this to go down more. Okay, cool. Okay, now I actually do have to take them off to do the ankle. Okay, so I'm wearing a different pair of black jeans. 90% of my wardrobe is black. It's fine. But here are the pants that I was just wearing. I forgot to measure them, like how long the ankles were while they were on me, and I'm too lazy to put them back on. So I held them up and kind of eyeballed it, and this is about how much I'm gonna cut off. So, and with this one, I'm just gonna cut it. I'm not gonna rip it, I'm just gonna snip it. Yeah, I'm gonna cut about, I don't know, 4 inches off. So, let's do this. I roll these up anyways because I'm so short, so even if it's uneven, you're not gonna be able to tell. I'm gonna end up cutting the jeans that I'm wearing right now. Also, these scissors suck. Like, these are fabric scissors. So why aren't they working? Do your job. Boom. Okay. I gotta get them even. The smart thing to do would be to lay them flat in front of me and then do it from there. So like, oh, I know what I can do. Take your piece that you cut off and then just line it up and you've got your, there we go, that's it better. Oh, so much fabric. How do real DIY YouTubers do this? Like, this is, I'm too lazy to do anything correctly. Oh no. This is so jagged, OMG. Can you see how, look how jagged. Oh well, it's fine. So I'm like done. I'm going to put these back on and see where I messed up and try to fix it. I am shook. I actually cut it correctly. Like, that's a pretty good height for my pants, like compared to how bunched they were like before I cut them. This is like, I'm actually pretty happy with this. This is kind of cute. Like, ooh, cute. Anyway, this probably wasn't at all helpful, but oh well. I'm not a DIYer and I'm not a professional seamstress by any means, but if you enjoyed watching me struggle through this process, give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time whenever I post next. So yeah, peace.